Welcome to the Orange County Realtors video library series. Today's video will go over how to quickly and easily set up a saved search or create a saved search within the Matrix MLS system. Why would an agent set up a saved search within the MLS? This will allow an agent to quickly and easily access their previous created search criteria to pull up properties for either the client that they're working with or any future clients that may be looking for the same type of data. So it's a quick and easy way of not having to recreate a search each and every time for a client or for all your individual clients that may be actually looking for around the same information. To create a saved search, just simply go into the MLS and input the criteria for their search. Now, when you go to the results, very simply come down below, and next to where it says actions, which is found at the bottom left corner of the screen, there is a choice that says save. Click on the word save and now choose new saved search. From here, you're going to name the search. When naming your saved search, you want to make sure that you're naming the saved search something that's easily identifiable as to what criteria and information you have defined as part of your search. Now you can hit save. Once you've hit save, you have now created the saved search for your client. To access saved search information, simply move your mouse to where it says My Matrix. A drop-down menu appears. Click on where it says Saved Searches. Now this will give you a list of all your saved searches that you've created within the MLS system. Simply click on the saved search. And now to look at information or the results from the saved search, simply click on Results. This will now rerun the search and bring up any new information that might have come on the market since the last time you created the search. Thank you very much for watching today's video on how to create a saved search within the MLS. For more information or videos, please visit our website at www.ocrealtors.org. Have a great day.